Hello. Welcome to Easy English.
With David and Alice.
Here, we speak English.
Slowly, clearly, and naturally.
Listen
Repeat,
and practice with us.
relax.
And let's start. Hello and welcome. Hello, everyone. I am very happy to see you today. My name is David. I am your English teacher. How are you today?
Hello, David. Hello, everyone. I am fine, thank you. I feel calm today. How are you, David?
I am very well, thank you, Alice. I feel relaxed. Today is a good day to learn English. The weather is nice. It is not too hot. It is not too cold.
Yes, the weather is nice. I like days like this. It helps me study. I feel ready to learn.
That is very good, Alice. Today, we will learn English for work. We will learn simple office conversation. Very simple, very slow, very clear.
Simple office conversation? That sounds useful. I work in an office. Sometimes I do not know what to say.
That is okay, Alice. Many people feel the same. That is why we are here. This video is called English at Work, Simple Office Conversation.
English at work. Simple office conversation. Yes, I want to learn that.
Good. We will speak slowly. We will repeat many times. We will use easy words. Only beginner English.
Thank you, David. That helps me feel calm. Sometimes English feels hard.
You are not alone, Alice. English is easier with practice, and we practice together.
Yes, together.
Before we start, let me say something. If you like this video, please like it. If you want more English, please subscribe. It helps the channel, and it helps other learners.
Yes, please like and subscribe. It helps us learn more English together.
Thank you, Alice. Now let us begin. Let us talk about greetings at work. Very simple greetings. For example, good morning.
Good morning. That is easy.
Yes, in the office, you can say good morning. You can say it to your boss. You can say it to your coworker.
Can I say good morning, Tom?
Yes, that is perfect. Good morning, Tom. Very polite. Very common.
What about hello?
Hello is also good. Hello is simple. You can say, hello, Sarah.
Hello, Sarah.
Good. Let us repeat. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hello.
Hello.
Now, a small situation. You enter the office. You see your coworker.
I say good morning.
Yes, very good. Now, let us talk about asking how someone is.
Like, how are you?
Yes, how are you is very common at work. You can say, how are you today?
How are you today?
Good. The other person can say, I am fine, thank you.
I am fine, thank you.
Or they can say, I am good.
I am good.
Let us repeat slowly. How are you?
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
I am fine, thank you.
Now, a small office scene. You meet your manager in the morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am good.
Very nice. Very professional. Next, let us talk about asking for help. In the office, we often need help. You can ask in a polite way.
I like that. I need help sometimes.
You can say, can you help me? Very simple.
Can you help me?
Yes. Or, can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please?
That is even more polite. Let us repeat.
Can you help me, please?
Good. The other person can say, yes, of course.
Yes, of course.
Or, sure.
Sure.
Small situation. You have a problem with your computer.
Can you help me, please?
Yes, of course.
Thank you.
You are welcome. Very good. Now let us talk about simple work tasks. At work, people talk about tasks. For example, I have a meeting.
I have a meeting.
This means you meet people for work. You can also say, I have a meeting at 10.
I have a meeting at 10.
Good. Or, I am busy.
I am busy.
That means you are working now. Let us repeat slowly.
I have a meeting. I am busy.
Now, a small situation. A coworker talks to you.
Hello. How are you?
I am fine. I am busy now.
Okay, talk later.
Talk later. Very natural. Next idea, talking about time. Time is important at work.
Yes, very important.
You can ask, what time is the meeting?
What time is the meeting?
Good. Or, the meeting is at 2.
The meeting is at 2.
Let us repeat.
What time is the meeting? The meeting is at 2.
Small office scene again. 2 coworkers talk.
What time is the meeting?
The meeting is at 2.
Thank you.
You are welcome. Excellent. Now let us practice with you, the listener. Please listen and repeat. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
How are you today?
I am fine, thank you.
I am fine, thank you.
Can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please?
Very good. Now, think and answer. You are at work. Someone says, good morning. What do you say?
You say, good morning.
Yes, very good. Next question. Someone asks, how are you? What can you say?
I am fine, thank you.
Perfect. Now let us do real-life scenarios. Simple and slow. First, a restaurant near the office.
Okay.
You go with a coworker.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I am good. I have a meeting later.
Yes, me too. Next, at work in the office.
Good morning.
Good morning. Can you help me, please?
Sure. What do you need?
Thank you. Next, travel for work.
We travel together?
Yes, at the airport.
Hello.
Hello. What time is the flight?
The flight is at 6.
Thank you. Next, shopping after work.
After work, yes.
In a shop.
Hello.
Hello. I am busy today.
Okay.
Daily conversation at work.
Everyday English.
Good morning. How are you today?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am good. Very nice. Now let us review. We learned greetings. Good morning. Hello.
Yes.
We learned asking how someone is. How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
We learned asking for help. Can you help me, please?
Yes, of course.
We learned about meetings and time.
The meeting is at 2.
Excellent. You are doing very well, Alice. And you, the listener, are doing very well too.
Yes, thank you for practicing with us.
Keep practicing every day. English at work becomes easy with time.
I feel more confident now.
That is great. Do you feel more confident?
Yes, I do.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.
Goodbye. See you next time.